Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can transfer files and folders between a Arch Linux device and a Windows 11 device. So this is the Arch Linux device right here, and this is the Windows 11 device. Now we need to make sure that we have SSH enabled on Arch Linux, and then we'll use a tool called WinSCP to securely transfer files between the two. So let's just open the terminal here, and let me go ahead and check the status of SSH. The command is you can use sudo systemctl status sshd. Put in our password here. So right now it says that it's inactive. We need to start the services. We can do sudo systemctl start sshd. Let me clear this, and we'll repeat the command sudo systemctl status sshd. And now it's active and running. Once we verify that it's active and running, the other thing we need here is IP address. We also need a username and a password on this machine. So the IP address, you can find it using IP address command, and in our case the IP address is 172.16.1.100. With that information, we can move to the Windows 11 device. Here we need to download and install a tool called WinSCP. So we'll open a browser here, and what we want to search for is WinSCP download. SCP download, and go to winscp.org. If we scroll down, we'll see the option to download WinSCP, so click on that. And here's the download. It's done. If I check the file explorer here, go to downloads, there's WinSCP. To install it, just double click on it, say yes, accept. So since I've had this one installed before, as you can see here, since I've had this one installed before, it's giving me the option to just upgrade it. Your option might be different if you haven't installed it before. Install. And just click finish. So we'll search for WinSCP here. Now I've used it before, so it popped up with some of the files on the remote device that I used to connect to before. For this new connection, you can select your protocol here. You have SFTP, which is secure FTP. You can also use SCP, which also uses SSH. The host name is going to be the IP address on the Arch Linux device, which was 172.16.1.100. We are using port 22 for SSH. You need a username and a password on the Arch Linux device. You can save the connection and then just click login, accept. And you see two windows. One window is going to show you the folders and files on this local device, the Windows 11 machine. The other one is going to show you the directories on the remote device. So if I click on downloads here, this is on the Arch Linux device, and this is the Windows 11 device. Now to transfer files between the two, or to copy files between the two, you just select a file and you drag and drop it to the other machine. For instance, if I wanted to copy the Windows 11 machine from the Arch Linux device, I'll select it, grab it and drop it. And now it's on my Windows 11 machine. Same thing, I can move a file from Windows 11 to the Arch Linux device. So just select, so just select a file here, drag and drop it. And that's all for this video. That's how you copy or transfer files between a Windows 11 machine and an Arch Linux device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.